Trevor. Colin. Build that little castle and put it next to this one.
Next to yours?
Yep. What you building, Blake?
Food for sea lions and flatfish.
That's so nice of you. Trevor, what are you building?
A castle.
Oh, cool.
What did he say he's making? Castle.
Castle. Good job, Trev. Colin, what are you making?
Sand castle.
Sand castle. Awesome.
Hi.
The best place to do it's right off the beach.